Hi guys, this is my dad. He's been helping me build my car. So we had a look on Marketplace and there was the body shell that this thing's on was $500 and we were gonna rebody snot box.
It's getting pretty rough.
Yep, and we went to Bodgy Run and realised it's too straight and tidy to put on snot box. It's just going to get destroyed.
Long wheelbase bodies are hard to come by in good condition. So
yep. So we were coming home from Bodgy and Dad was like, Deacon, do you want a Zook? And I'm like, yeah. So that's how this thing came along. So we got the body and started, well, we put it on a couple of milk crates here in front of where we're sitting and we started doing stuff on it, and then we got a chassis off of a mate, and then we got a $500 rust bucket Zook
for all the mechanicals,
for the diffs and engine, gearbox, mechanicals.
The benefits of being in a great club is you've got mates that have usually got the parts you need. We've
Yep.
Yeah, we've got so much
So
stuff
many people.
of so many mates. It's the Zook that MBS built, really.
Yep. And yeah, so yeah, we got the rust bucket home and stripped it down. We took the body shell off it, took it to scrap metal, and yeah, we took the engine stuff out of it, gave it all a clean up, drain the oil, new spark plugs, stuff like that.
And the diffs, and
we got a new clutch as well.
Rebuilt the gearbox.
Yep. And then yeah, we've got it all assembled, and we fully redone the diffs because they were all a bit crap.
With some sneaky additions.
Yeah. So it's gonna be a very capable car. We've got a 2-inch lift kit in it. It's got reduction gears, 4.9s.
Power steering.
Power steering, yep. Yeah, it's going to be running 30s. At the moment it's got the stockies, which we will be replacing. And for rims, we're going the JB74 Suzuki Jimny rims. We've got a couple sitting in the trailer there.
And another set for all the trailer.
And then, yeah, we're going to recondition the trailer. It's going to be part of
That's a topic for another
the
day.
Zook. But yeah, that's its own little thing.
Panel work's been the worst of it, really. Like, mechanicals are easy for us. Panel work's not my forte, and there's a lot of stuff that I'm not happy with, but it's good enough for what it is. Fit for purpose, I guess you'd say.
Yep. There's a couple of runs here and there.
Yeah, a lot of things could have been better.
Scratches,
it's a backyard paint job by an amateur and his son.
Yeah.
So we're happy enough with it.
With a dog kicking up dust and dropping fur. And yeah, eBay's been good, getting a lot of parts, like lights and stuff for it. And then yeah, the mates in the club giving us parts.
Yeah, so much stuff.
Like all the little trims and stuff. Bonnet stops, windscreen things.
Oh, dropped your collar.
Lots of stuff from mates. And yeah, we need the grills in a bit crap condition, so we're gonna get a different one. Alright, so for the motor, we're just running the standard 1.3 litre carby little engine. We've got the power steering down there, overspray.
Don't point out the bad bits. We're going to touch that up.
Yeah, power steering pump, fluid. Yoinked the washer bottle off the snot box. And yeah, eBay.
Under the bonnet's all pretty standard.
Yep.
Very standard. So, apart from the power steering.
Yep, power steering is the main upgrade.
And the bling from Simo.
Pulleys.
So we can run the multi-rib and the V-belt.
Yep. So,
how did you come to the decision on the colour, Deacon?
Because
we change our mind
I change my mind
every day.
more than I change my jocks.
Yeah, but that's not hard for a teenage boy.
So with the mirrors, I've normally got plastic cover on here, but ours were in pretty crap condition, so we just painted the brackets blue. Kind of makes the mirrors look like they're floating there, but doesn't look too bad. And yeah, we've got
Tell them about how you come to the colour.
Okay, so the colour was very hard to decide.
Sort of settled on that stock Sierra long wheelbase blue.
Yep, so the standard Sierra blue.
Something like that is what we wanted.
And then yeah, we saw the standard coily Sierra blue and went, yeah, both those look pretty good. So this is kind of in the middle of it and a flat colour.
Yeah, we didn't want a metallic.
Because both the standard ones are metallic, these are not. So interior, these are just webbing strap from a bin, spare tyre bin bag thing. So yeah, interior is pretty stock as well. Standard grille, standard everything. But the seats are different. They're out of a Suzuki Swift, like a 07 model. And the gear shifter knob, Dad made it for me, but it's rusted. And yeah, I had a wireless charging pad in the ashtray. And yeah, it's got the sun visors, got them off made as well. So yeah, interior is pretty stock. Here, on every Sierra, there's a black plastic thing. This one didn't have the holes for putting it on, so keeping them off. It's 4-seater, so we got a rear seat, Raptor lined tub. It's overrated. It's not as strong as they say.
No, we wouldn't. We wouldn't do Raptor again.
Yeah,
definitely not.
And for all the bolts, we just got standard button head ones.
Stainless, so they're shiny.
Stainless.
For now.
Yeah. So yeah, it's all pretty stock.
It's coming together really well.
But yeah, I'm very happy with how it's turning out. So yeah, it's pretty good. There's a few imperfections here and there. Like there's a little run there and
don't point out the bad bits. Point out the good bits.
Look how shiny it is. So yeah, if you have any thoughts or ideas, put them in the comments. And
bar work is the next big thing.
Yep. So for plans, we've got bar work,
tube flares,
tyres,
sliders.
Tube flares, sliders, all the stuff that Dad says. We want a canvas canopy over the back.
Safari type, so roll up sides.
Yep. But we don't want it high top, we just want it level with the B pillar. So yeah, got any thoughts? Let us know. Any ideas for the backs or any places that make them? Because we want to be able to roll them up, zip sides.